We'll guide you through how to delete wallpapers on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on my iPhone. So you're in the same situation as me, so you've got loads of different wallpapers. Perhaps you often go and change the wallpaper and update it with a recent photo, or you just always go and change it to go and keep it fresh. But you then go and find that you've got loads and you don't want them anymore and you want to go and delete them. We're going to guide you through this step by step. So make sure this is full guide so you know exactly how. So to go and get started with this, I'm just going to show you. If I go and open my settings, we can then go and scroll down and we go and find the option for wallpaper. We come into here. You can go see my current one. If you look at the bottom, I've got loads here. You may even have more than me. And so what you want to do is go and delete these. I'm going to guide you through how this can be done. Now, annoyingly, you can't actually do it in the settings here. So what you want to do is you want to come out of the settings app. Now, what you need to do is go to the top and we're going to drag down. Make sure you drag down on the left. If you drag it on the right, that opens a control center. So drag down on the left, like so, on the time. And you then go and see the lock screen here. Of course, you may have a different background or wallpaper on your lock screen. That doesn't matter. What you then want to do is go and tap and hold your finger just in the middle there. And as you can see, we can now go and change between our wallpapers here. And this is where we can actually go and delete them from. So find the one you want to delete, whether it's one or if you want to do all of them, you can do that as well. Just go and start at a point you want to. What you need to do is just go and swipe up on it like this. And then you'll see the trash can, which is the delete button. So tap on it. You can then confirm the decision and it will go and be deleted and removed. And that's it. So what you can do is literally just keep repeating that. Swipe up on it and press the trash can icon. And you can keep repeating that until you go and get them all deleted. So it will take a bit of time if you've got a lot, but you can get into the process. You swipe up, press the delete button and confirm your decision. So that's it. That is how it can go and be done. I'm nearly done if I want to go and do them all. Of course, there may just be one you want to do, but for you it may be different. So that's it. I'll just keep this one and we've gone and deleted them.